Ndereti ikonie ikinya ria thirikari gwitikiria irio cia GMO guku bururi-ini no ithiete na mbere gwakiriria wagiriru wa irio ici ukigerekwo kabiro na njira ciothe.
Niko na ndugu wa munyenye mrefu.
Umuthi atongoria a mung'ethaniro maugite ni marekwa kuri na njama ibangitwo ya kuguna mabũrũri ma rũraya thiini wa thuguri ya irio icio guku bururi-ini.
Nikisema hivi
kuregana na mutongoria wa ngwataniro ya Azimio la Umoja Raila Odinga gutire na uthuthuria wa kuonania ukinyaniru wa irio cia GMO guku bururi-ini akiheana muhiano na mabũrũri mangĩ ma rũraya maria mekireire mukana irio ici.
Mambo ya GMO mpaka sisi kama Wakenya tuseme tumekataa. Si tumekataa? Tumekataa kwa sababu ni kitu ambaye inahatarisha maisha ya wananchi.
Mutongoria wa kiama kia Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka nake akiuria mutongoria wa bururi William Ruto gwicurania keri iguru rigie ikinya riri akiuga uyu ni ugwati ukuriire a Kenya maitho.
Long-term effects of GMOs in Kenya outweigh the short-term benefits, if indeed there are any. Reverting after opening our doors to GMOs will be a Herculean task. I therefore urge each and every one of us to take time and research into the truth that I've shared with you this afternoon.
Kalonzo oho nionanitie kwaga kuiganira na uria atongoria a dini makireire ndereti ino akiuga mafatie gukorwo muharini wa mbere kurota maundu maria marahutia a Kenya.
So I'm actually alarmed. I'm calling the believer community, tafadhalini. Yani mumenyamaza mpaka sasa hakuna yeyote. There may be the remnant of the church who stand up and speak.
Ikundi itiganite irirugamagirira maundu makoni urimi niciuritie thirikari kugitira mbegu cia kimerera iria ciri na arimi makiuga iri na uhoti wa gwetiria riera na tutambi mugaru na mbegu njeru iria iraingira thoko-ini.
Our constitution is very clear on Article 11B that we need to protect our own indigenous and genetic resources, and some of these technologies we are introducing are not going to promote that aspect of our constitution, and they are going to threaten or even do away with our cultural.
That means we are being very narrow-minded when we are pushing for just one trait yield. We are getting it wrong.
Ikundi ici ciugite gutire mitaratara kana mawatho ma kugitira mbegu iria iri na arimi na o niguo mbegu nyingi irigagiriria kuywo na gutwarwo thoko-ini cia nja wa bururi.
The USA being the leading producer of sorghum in the world, yet sorghum is indigenous to that hot area of Africa. Nobody is compensating all this, and they're using it now to develop other crops like hybrids. Hybrids lock in the stolen genes. You cannot recreate a hybrid actually locks in this gene.
Hadwini ha Kameme TV, jutagwo Ngina Mwaduro.